See you later, Egghead!
It's Eggman!
Hey! Yeah! Get off me, you hunk of dead junk! Ha!
Get up!
Sorry, Egghead. Look like your metalhead is all down.
Filthy dog! I get my hands on you! I will crush you!
Well, too bad, too sad. Anyways, got a jet, Egghead. Here we go! I hate that hedgehog.
Well, I'm not making hate, so could it be Hastings making me? What's time but a thing they kill or keep us by or lose a living? I gotta go faster, keep up the pace, just to stay in the human race. I could go supersonic, the problem's chronic. Tell me, does life exist beyond it? When I need to sate, I just accelerate into oblivion. Into oblivion. Now here I go again, everything is alien. How does it feel to be outstripped by the waves of cultural change? My future senseless and rendered meaningless when measured in the pain. I could go supersonic, the problem's chronic. Tell me, does life exist beyond it? When I need to sate, I just accelerate into oblivion. I won't lie, it's exciting when I try to decide things. I just wanna live decently, meaningfully. I'm in misery. I could go supersonic, the problem's chronic. Tell me, does life exist beyond it? When I need to sate, I just accelerate into oblivion. Into oblivion.
There we go. Perfect. Hey, bro. Sonic? There you are. I've been looking for you all day. Where have you been? Sorry, bro. Egghead and Metalhead was dealing with me. So I had to teach him a little lesson. What you doing? Well, fixing my gun, but also I've been scanning the area and a huge chaos signature was coming through the graveyard zone. I was wondering if you wanted to check it out. You in? Great, zombies. Yeah, sure. Right now. Anyways, let's get moving. Wait up!